Today we will study about informal letters. Informal letter means when we write letter to our near and dear parents, our friends, our guardians. Likewise, we write informal letters. We don't write them very formally. We write informal letter to wish them anything else. Likewise, if you have to wish to your friend for his happy birthday, then you write these kind of letters. Likewise, you write application or formal letters from your school, office, colleges. Those are totally different from this letter. Here in this letter, we will not write address of the receiver. We have to just write our address, means who is sending this address, who is writing this address. We will mention on the top. Likewise, we will start from here. Sender's address. Likewise, if I am writing a letter to my mother from Shivali Gurukul, then I will mention Shivali Gurukul Alyaspur Ambala at the topmost left corner of the page. Okay? Then I will write here. Shivali Gurukul Alyaspur Ambala. Address. Then we will write what? We will write date. One thing, most of the people write this date at the topmost over here, but it doesn't take a very big part from this. If you write it here, it's okay, and if you want to write it at the topmost, it will be okay. Today, likewise, if we mention date, your date and 2020, whatever date you want to mention here, you can write. Okay. Then we write salutation. Salutations means to whom we are writing that letter. Like I am writing to my mother to wish him her happy birthday. Then I will write here, dear mom. Here I want to mention one thing. In these kind of letter, we never ever write subject. If you write subject here, then it's wrong. Never ever mention subject in informal letter. Here you don't have to be very formal. No need to be very formal. You don't have to write subject. If you write subject here, you are doing wrong. Teacher or examiner will cut your or deduct your marks. So no need to write subject here. Okay? These two parts. Firstly, what we write? Address. Then date. Third thing here, salutation. Okay? Now, we have mentioned these three things here. Now we will start the letters to express our feelings. Because I tell you one thing, whenever we write informal letter, it's a kind of conversation between you and your family members or near neighbors. Okay? So, I will start writing from here. That first or second line, these two lines are kind of conversation. Okay? Then next 2, 3, 4, 5 or so on. These are main body. Okay, these are main body. These lines tell what you want to convey to your parents, your friends, or near you. So here first conversation. Likewise, if I am writing this letter to my mother, then I will say, "Dear mother, I hope you are doing well. I am here at Shivali Gurukul, totally fine. I think brother is also happy. You people are spending your time very happily." Then I finish this conversation between me and my mother. Then I will write main body of letter. For why I am writing this letter, I have to mention in this main body. Likewise, if I want to tell to my mothers, I am unable to come home just because of COVID-19 curfew and section 144, something like that. If I have to mention these things, I have to mention here in 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Okay? After these, when you write these things, conversation, main body, one more thing is come with it, which is I mentioned here. Okay? I mentioned. Don't mind lost space. I mentioned it. Like when you have mentioned these conversations, main body. Now we are coming for a good reply from my mother's side. Likewise, I am writing the same letter for her. Then I expect she will reply in the same manner. Okay? Then these one or two lines, we say these reply. Reply. Here sometimes you people, if you have noticed that, then here we write say my hello to your brother. Or sometimes you also write this kind of line. I hope you will reply soon. These kind of sentences we write here. Okay? So, these things after celebrations, conversation, main body or reply, these things you have to mention here. After this, reply, likewise you people write in formal application or letters, you write your sincerely or your truly. These things you have to write, these called signature. Signature doesn't mean that you have to make signature line. If I mention my signature, this Nissan, no. These signature means what? This means who is writing this letter, he has to mention here what? Like your loving son Nishan. If I am writing this letter to my mother, then I mention my name. So you mention these things in signature. Okay? I hope you are very clear about this letter. Again we will repeat this. Today we are learning how to write an informal letter. Okay? Informal letters means when you write a letter to your mother, father, your brother, your sister, or any near and dear. Okay? In this letter, most of the time we wish them happy birthday or any thanks. Likewise, your uncle have sent a watch for you for your birthday. Then you have to reply him. In this manner, you write in formal letter. Okay? Likewise, here first of all, I mentioned address. My address means who is writing the letter. He has to mention his address. After that, he has to mention date. On which date you are writing this letter, you have to mention here. Then third thing here, salutation. Salutations means dear mother, dear brother, dear father, dear uncle, anything else. After that, you mention simple conversation means introductory part of your letter. Okay? You mention these things here. Mother, I am doing well here at Shivalik Gurukul. I hope you are also doing well at home. After that, main body comes. Main body means why you are writing this letter. These things you have to mention in this main body. See, this is the main part of any letter. Why you are writing this letter, it has been mentioned here. Likewise, I am writing letter, I am able to come home just because of COVID-19. Okay? So, I have to mention all the details here in 4-5 lines. Then, this last part, reply. Reply means you expect a letter from your mother. I will mention here, mother, I will wait for your reply. Or one more thing, you can read to your brother, sister, father here. You can mention here, give my hand to my brother, give my height to my younger sister. These things you can mention here at the end. Last thing, beta, comes signature. Signatures likewise when you are writing an application to your school principal. What you write? Sir, your obediently means आपका आज्ञाकारी शिष्य. Okay? But here you don't mention these things because it's an informal letter. So you write here your loving son, your truly friend. These things you can mention over here. Okay? Then you write your name. Simple. This is informal letter. I hope you people understand these things. Okay?